So today I'm going to discuss how I work on my KDP business. Obviously, I am not doing it full time, and most of the people in my subscriber list are not doing full time, which is completely fine. Maybe you are in a day job, maybe you are a housewife, maybe you are a student, or you just want to earn some few bucks, etc. etc. Every person has their own priorities, and I completely get it. So, keeping all these things in mind, I just came up with the process of publishing books consistently on KDP, following these few steps. So, hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Dube, and I talk about KDP on this channel. Obviously, this is not a kind of KDP niche research or like the normal videos that I post, but it is something like a structure that I take into consideration while working on the KDP business, and you can do that too. So this video is going to be short, but to the point, like what is the process that I do. So the first thing is what I do is I decide how many hours I need to work on my business. For example, I only take like 5 hours a week. That means if I am working Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, that is 5 days a week, not Saturday and Sunday, because those are holidays for me. If you want to work on Saturday and Sunday, you can do that as well. But if you want to work only 5 days on your KDP, consider it 5 days, 5 hours a week. If you work on Saturday, Sunday, you can consider 7 hours a week, which is pretty good if you are working as a part time on KDP, right? So I do the 5 hour plan. So what I do is first thing first, I make sure that these are the things do not steal my time. What happens is that when you return from your work, or if you're a homemaker, and you obviously homemakers do every single thing every single day, this is tidy. Okay, so when you're relaxing for a bit and you are just mindlessly you are scrolling on the phone, or you are just thinking about publishing a book, but the amount of work does it take looks like a lot, and obviously it overwhelms you. What other things overwhelms you is the cell phone. For example, if you're a student and you are just thinking that okay, I'm gonna study for like 3 hours, but what you do is you just pick up your phone and you start watching some reels, or start replying to some messages or whatever. So this is killing your time, and obviously you are not keeping the track of the time, and that's why you are losing the consistency while publishing the books or while doing your other works, right? So first thing is that whenever you are going to work on your business, you have to keep your phone away. Okay, just switch it off, or just keep it in the silent mode, and keep it away from you. Like if you're working in your like living room, just keep your phone in your bedroom, something like that. Okay, because these are the things that are killing your time. So, as I said, this is the 5 hour plan. So, what I do is these are the product creation that we need. Product creation means book creation, obviously. So, these are the steps that we do. First thing first, I have to do the niche research, then I have to do the keyword research, then I go for like my interiors, my book covers, my description, my title, and subtitle. So, obviously, these are the six basic things that we do while creating a book. Now, I had a question from a subscriber that can I publish more books in a particular niche? Sorry, if I create unique interiors and covers for that. So, the answer is yes. If you create unique covers and unique interiors for that particular niche, obviously you can publish more books. Okay, so you can completely do that. So how do we start from here? Okay, what is the first step that we do? The first step that we do is the niche research. That is the first option, that is the first step. Okay, because obviously you need to find the niche which is profitable and in which you can make money. So I have done a lot of videos for the niche research through different ways. So if you are confused, go into the and go into the my channel and go into the English or Hindi version and watch all the videos. Okay, so niche research is done. If once you have understood the concept, it is not going to take you more than 30 minutes, okay, for finding one niche. If you are just focused on one niche, more than 30 minutes is, I do not think anyone is going to take if you have understood the concept. The second thing what I do is the keyword research. Now once my niche is clear, what I do is I go into the Google Sheets, I create one new sheet, and I write the name of the keyword and the search result. And if I find the three books with BSR 300,000, okay, I just mention all those keywords that I am finding it out, and I'm just putting it out on the sheets. Why? Because when I will be uploading my book and when I will be filling the seven keyword slots, it would be easier for me to just pick the keywords from there and paste it. That's why. Okay, after that I do my interiors. Obviously interior can be done in a lot of ways. The first thing is that you can go ahead and you can buy it from Krela or Creative Fabric or any other marketplace. Link is in the description. You can go ahead, you can just buy it. Then once after buying it, you can edit it, use your own style and everything else. I have also shared about this on the channel, so yeah, you know that how to do it. So once you are done with the interior, you have to go to the book cover. Also, if you do not want to buy, you can create interiors by yourself. It depends if you are making a coloring book or logbook or whatever, or you can hire someone from Fiverr or etc., and you can make someone do it for you, okay, by paying them. So there are various ways in which you can draw or you can get ready your interior. It depends upon what process you want to go for. Okay, after that, book cover. Obviously book cover is going to take you some time because you need to find what covers are working currently. You have to research it, and after researching it you have to make your own unique cover. And I have also shared videos about how to make covers and everything. So once you are on my channel, once you are on the Hindi or English uh, whole channel list, sorry, whole videos list, you can find all the videos that I'm talking about right now. Okay, so your interior is done, your cover is done, then you go ahead and you do the title, subtitle, and description, which is easy. Okay, so how much time and how you are going to do that? So first thing is first the niche research. So for finding the niche research, as I told you, I do not take more than 30 minutes, because even if I am making some videos for my YouTube channel and if I am just telling you about niche research, I find a lot of new niches, because and in just like 10-15 minutes, because we know what to look for. Okay, so if you're confused about niche research and everything, I would say that go ahead and watch the my videos, and once you are following those steps, you will automatically you will get good in it. Okay. So I what I do is I keep my phone shut for the straight 30 minutes. Let's suppose on week one, on week one, day one, you are going for niche research, you have 30 minutes only. You will keep your phone off, or you will just keep your phone away from you, and you will do the niche research. After that, you are done for the day because your niche is done. But if you have more time, you want to work more, what you can do is you can go for the keyword sheets. Now again, do not forget to put your phone away, and if you are working for 1 hour, that means you are working completely for 1 hour. It doesn't mean that you are just taking a break or going for a tea break or just going from some water or like phone checking break. No, it means that you are just sitting straight for 60 minutes and you're doing the work. Okay, because this is what keeps you consistent, because our human mind tricks us that go ahead, let's drink some water, let's have some candies, etc., etc., but you do not have to get into this. You keep your phone away, or even for easier, you can just set a timer on your clock or whatever for 1 hour, and you just brainstorm for 1 hour straight, 1 hour. Okay, that 1 hour is for you. So this is how I do it. And once you are done, you are done for the day. Next day, what you do, you have to create the interiors. Again, you will keep your phone shut and you will go for the interiors. No matter if it's taking you 1 hour or 1.5 hour, whatever, you do it. Okay, so if you do it all these things, it is going to take you like 5 hours, 5 hours or even less or even more, depends upon you, in a week. So in a week you can easily create 2 to 3 books. Okay, so after doing, what I do is, after doing it, I do not just publish it. After doing everything, I just take some time and I just perform book revision. Like I go for the book description, spelling check, grammar check, etc., so that I do not make mistakes. Especially people make mistakes in title and subtitles, spellings as well. So recheck it and make sure that you are not committing any mistake over there. And once you are done, you just have to publish. Publishing takes only like 10 to 15 minutes, not more than that. If you have keywords ready, if you have title, subtitle ready, you have description ready, how much time it gonna take? Okay, so once you do it, you are done for the day. So you can see, if you put the right amount of time and right amount of energy and efforts, you can publish book consistently, even if you are a working person, you're in a day job, you are a homemaker, you are a student, you are preparing for some government exam. No matter what you do, but you can do it as a side income if you put the right amount of time and right amount of efforts with the right strategy over here. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Obviously it was not a kind of generic video that I post on the YouTube, but I just wanted to touch this part because a lot of people reach out to me, and the main concern is, I'm not getting the whole time, like it is going to take a lot of time, I'm overwhelmed. I completely understand, but follow these steps and we're good to go. So yeah, that's all for the day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. Share some love, shower some love on my channel, because I want my channel to grow and to reach more and more and more people, and I want more people taking advantage of this free platform that is available. I have made lakhs from KDP, and I want people to make the same amount of money as well. Okay, no matter from where you belong, no matter if you live in a city or if you live in a village area, no matter if you are in India, no matter if you are in UK or US or whatever, everyone has the right to uh, just take advantage of these free platforms and make good amount of money from there. Okay, so yeah, that's all for the day, and thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.